This is the final video to solve the vgk sys error in Valorant or League of Legends. And if you're stuck with this problem right now, stay with me because this will finally fix it. I'm from Rexisht, and I'll tell you every simple method so you can get back into the game. Are you also getting the vgk sys error when launching Valorant or League of Legends? This happens because Riot's anti-cheat system, Vanguard, fails to load. It usually comes from corrupted Vanguard files, Windows blocking the driver, secure boot being off, or damaged system files. Most YouTube or Facebook guides make this way too complicated. When I faced this exact issue, I fixed it using a few easy tricks that anyone can follow. First, restart your PC and make sure secure boot is enabled in your BIOS. Vanguard needs this to load, and if it's off, the game will not start. Second, reinstall Vanguard the easy way. Open the run box, type services.msc, find a vgk service, stop it, then uninstall Vanguard from apps and features. After that, launch Valorant and let it reinstall fresh. Third, run command prompt as admin and repair your Windows files. Use sfc/scan now, and then dism/online/cleanup-image/restore health. These fix damaged system files that block vgk sys from loading. Fourth, check that vgk is set to automatic in the services window. If it's set to manual or disabled,